Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I love a lot how it's looking. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope it's not too noisy, but it's your girl Wendymarik, and I'm here with another video. And today I'm going to do hair. I'm going to do my hair. I've already had them in cornrows. I went to the salon to be done for this because I wanted them to be neat. I want them to last for like around 3 weeks. This is the hair that I want to put on my hair. It's called the Box Curly Crotchet. This is how they look like. This is how they look like out of the packet. You can see they look really nice. They're bouncy, they're curly, and they're long. So yay, let's try this out and see how it is. And by the way, just if you see something moving around on this side, it's the fan. It's super hot. I finally got a fan. I'm at peace. I am at peace. More makeup videos. So I don't know how you guys are loving this makeup for today. It's very simple, very easy. You know I love red lipstick. And these are just contacts. Do you remember my video a while back? I showed you guys how to wear contact lenses, my first time attempting them, and it was horrible. It was painful, it was dreadful, but now I've gotten the hang of things, and yeah, they are awesome, comfortable, beautiful, so beautiful. So I got 2 packets of this. In one packet it comes like this, 2 bundles. One packet was going for 600 shillings. So if you want to get this hair, I think you can use one packet because it comes with 2 of these. Like if you really split it out nicely, I think it can fit. But for me, I don't like splitting curly hair so much because it destroys their form. I'm going to put in my Amla Legend Rejuvenating Ritual. It's a billion hair protein. Helps hair look fuller, feel thicker, acts from the roots, and they claim that it has amla and all that stuff, and I've been using it for a while and it's kind of good. And I told you guys amla is good, so make sure you make sure that your hair is always moisturized. It really goes a long way. Once that is done, I'm going to take my Jamaican black castor oil, and this is what I've been using. This is a holy grail. If you want your hair to grow, this is very good. So I just put on this kakifuniko, and then I just go into my hair. My mirror today is in front, so don't worry, at least I won't be looking down today. Apply. Let me just turn around and show you guys how my crochet hair is looking. So that's that. So let's just start on with the hair. 1 minute. Okay, huge shout out to Raw Hair and Beauty USA. They are located in 2 Rivers, Limuru Road, lower ground level, blah 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 blah. But you can find them on Facebook and on Instagram as Raw Beauty. I love how they did the packaging. They were very quick about it, and they're the cheapest in the market for this got to be glue free spray. And also I got the small got to be glue invisible styling gel. This thing should not fool you. It looks huge on camera, but it is so tiny. Thank you so much. I love your services. I will shop from you guys again. I got the Freeze Blast for 1,500 and this got to be glue styling gel for 500 shillings. So total came to 2,000 shillings, which I feel is really affordable. And they sent it to me from Nairobi to Mombasa, and I used it through Modern Coast, so it was only 300 extra for transporting it to reach here in Mombasa. Very easy. I know it's kind of easy and not easy at the same time, but so this is how the hair looks like, and I'm going to be dividing each strand into 2 when I put it on my head. That is the most I am going to do. I'm not going to divide it more than 2 times. Okay, so what you're going to do with your crochet, I'm going to start from here so I can show you guys. You put your crochet in, hook the hair. As you can see, the hair is hooked. Take this pin and lock that pin. Then you pull it out onto the other side. Open it up. That same hole that you put it in, make sure it can move. Then I just take it in the first time, twist, then the second time, and then I pull. Just that, like so simple. I'm going to repeat again, because the next time I'm coming back here, I'm going to put the whole head. I'll just remain the front part to show you guys how I install the front part differently. So again, we enter the hook. When it is opened, okay, make sure it is open. You're seeing it is open. Attach the hair. You can see. Then lock. Pull. Open up. One. Twist. Pull. Are you seeing? Okay, so guys, that's one packet done on my hair. This is just one packet, and I've done like the back part of my hair and this side part. So it's this side part remaining, so I'm going to open my other package. Okay, so guys, this is like an hour later. I am so tired and I am really shining. But anyway, so this is the part that has remained. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. One. Pull. But now you will go one, twist, then you divide this into two, take one, pull it through and pull. We are making a like invisible knot. You see, the knot doesn't look just like a knot, at least it has hidden the hairline and everything. So yes, but anyway, this is how it's looking. I don't want to repeat myself, it's bomb. I love it. Go get yourself some of this hair. Where's the box? Where's the box? Yes, so this is how the box looks like. It's called Box. It's Box Hair, and it is Box Curly Crochet. And what's my experience about this? It does not tangle that much, but it does tangle. So if you're going to be using this hair, I would advise you mostly to use the curling gel. Do you know the blue one in a blue bottle, the curl activator? You can mix that with some oil, either coconut oil on your hand, and just moisturize it. But other than that, do not do anything else on it, maybe water. But this hair, don't go spraying it every single day because it will tangle like crazy. I know this kind of hair. But anyway, I've trimmed it already. I don't know how that's going to look at the back. So yes, bye, see you in my next one. I hope it's going to be as exciting as this one was. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Help our girl out. So this is the look.